Hello guys, today we're gonna see some possibilities of smooth and extrude tools. It's very nice, easy and practical. So we use a single plane for that. First we subdivide faces and extrude them. Let's start with the extrude. Now we start smooth. For shrinking the faces, as you see, we drag the mouse and shrink faces. And we extrude and smooth, extrude and smooth. We check surface. Now it seems nice, and we extrude and smooth again. Extrude and smooth again. You can shrink or expand with smooth. Yeah, extrude and smooth. We get a nice cake looking shape. Extrude and smooth again, and extrude and smooth. Extrude and smooth. One more time. Now we select all faces and we smooth again for leveling, and we select top faces, extrude and smooth. You see, it's very easy and fast. We select all and smooth for leveling. You know, the transitions should be smooth also. That's why when we finish extrude and smooth process, we select all faces and we smooth them for transition, smooth transition. Now we apply bevel and extrude to get some cell looking and smooth once more. Yeah, we have all rounded shape, no sharp points. Yes, seems nice. As you see, single plane, and we get this. We check. Yeah, you see, it seems nice. Now we apply some materials, very quick and simple. As I told you before, if you do that, you change all body color. That's why we don't do this. We create two materials, one for main body, one for details. Yeah, as you see, we apply a little bevel and we have some nice details after applying that different color material. Now we adjust some scene. We can put a point light right inside of the object. Then it seems like a lamp emitting light through the cells. As you see, we adjust it. We set the power and as you see, we change the color. Now seems better. This is just an example. You can do anything else you want with this method. As you see, we just adjust our scene. With some metallic for the body, metallic material, and a black material for the details. So thanks for watching. Please consider like and subscribe if you like the content. See you later.